Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick whip and chat with an old whip that I'm really close to finishing. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So I'm not going to start the timer yet because I'm going to do kind of a longer intro to this real quick. I know I've been working on that Diamond Dotz house for a while for my 10-minute whip and chats, but this really cute whip I've been working on a couple of days this week, and I am so close to finishing. So these two release papers and this section here is all I need, and this really cute whip will be completed. So I decided, let me use this for the whip and chat, mostly so I can get ahead. I really want to see if I can complete this week, because this poor canvas, oh my goodness, she's been hanging around since December, I believe, or January. No, December. And it's so cute. And I know I can't really put it up because since, you know, the holidays, they passed. But I want to complete it just so I can have completion, and I really want her as my first premium completion painting for 2025. She's just so cute. I mean, I feel bad. I've only done one eye. So let me zoom in and we can get started. Okay, I'm back. I just need to make sure to switch out the wax in my multi-placer and my single placer, because it's been a while since I switched it, and I don't want to struggle like I usually do when I do these whip and chats. So let me start the timer just to make it fair. I always do that to make sure it's 10 minutes, but we all know it always ends up longer than 10 minutes. So yeah, originally I was going to do a kit up video, because as much as I love that little home painting I've been working on, it's taking too long, and I get kind of bored a little bit of doing the same canvas over and over. So that's why I like doing a lot of current whips I have on the side while I'm working on a painting that I know I'm going to work on for a while. But I just got a little frustrated with that one. So that's why I decided, you know what, I'll switch out the painting. So what I was planning to do is kit up a painting I showed. Well, I've mentioned it before, that wonderful rose with all the different colors from Diamond Dotz that I unboxed a couple weeks ago. And I already had everything organized and all of that, but I started thinking, I think it's going to take longer than 10 minutes. So that's why that one's just going to be a regular kit up video. I'll take care of it later on this week, mostly because I really want to start on that painting. The thing with that painting, it has a lot of confetti, so I know I'm going to be switching colors a lot. And yeah, I know, I don't believe it'll take that long because it's a partial, so it's not the full painting. So I think it shouldn't, if I only use that painting for my 10-minute whip and chats, it shouldn't take that long. I don't know why I cannot put diamond straight today. I'm making sure it's on camera because sometimes I pull the canvas. And as you all are seeing, I'm working on a light pad. Yay! So my birthday just passed, and my wonderful, wonderful husband gifted me a light pad, an A2 light pad, which is way bigger than the little itty bitty one I've had for probably a year. And that poor little light pad gave out. And the issue I kind of had with that light pad is the connector to it is a USB connection. So after a while, the little slot that was the plug for it, apologies, I'm looking for the top for the box, I need to switch color, it gave out. It actually disconnected from the base of the internal part of the light pad, meaning no powder apologies, no power was being directly to it from the connector to the light pad. And yeah, I really researched, goodness, I don't know why I can't talk today, how to fix it. But it's real trippy on how to take apart the light pad, and I pretty much would have to replace the little connector. So I figured, okay, the days of this poor little light pad is done. So I would just use it as a support, because sometimes I don't have a table in my other rooms whenever I want to, you know, paint and be sitting with my husband watching TV and all that. So I would just use that little light pad. It's kind of a clipboard. So I never really got a chance to, you know, have the light anymore. So my wonderful husband remembered that, and I had told him I had been wanting to get a really, really large one. Because if y'all have been watching my channel, thank you so much for coming back. I've been working on some large canvases, especially for my weekend WIP and chats. And it would help me out a lot for a light pad for those larger canvases. My cherry tree one is a good example. It is really dark colors. They're really dark tones. So I struggle a bit sometimes to see where the placement is. And that's why sometimes my diamonds aren't the straightest, because I can't see it too well. Even with a light on top of it, I do have some issues seeing it. So that's why I was so happy that I have a new light pad. A really big one. And this painting is a 40 by 40. So it's not that large. But I think it's perfect because it lights up the whole, as you can see, the whole canvas. Even the part that I've already, completed. I just like seeing it under the light pad. Also, it gives me a chance to try it with squares. Now, I've heard that you shouldn't do... Sorry. It's recommended that you do not do squares on a light pad. And that's because you see the gapping between the squares. Which, to me, I know that there's gapping, so it doesn't bother me. But I had problems lining up the squares to the grid when I would use the light above. So that's why I kind of... Some of the square paintings, I was doing them on the side. I do some on the side just to practice, because as I've probably stated a lot before, apologies for repeating, I own a lot of square paintings. And not that I don't like square paintings, it's just I struggle on keeping the diamonds straight. And mostly because I can't see. So, I'm hoping this wonderful light pad is the solution to that issue. I believe it is. So, and mostly because I can see the grid lines on the canvas a lot better and trying to see it on top. And you do not need a light pad, to diamond paint. You can just, find a well-lighted room, sit wherever you want to sit, and paint. I mean, it's not a requirement, but since I've been seeing how beneficial it is, that's why for me, I want to move forward with this wonderful light pad. And besides, it's also a loving gift. And I've actually fallen behind a bit on the cherry tree painting. I'm actually going to try to work on it this week, mostly because I've been focusing on this one. I really want to complete, I just want to complete a painting, a premium painting to be exact, so I can give you all completion videos. And as you all know, I have so many WIPs that I have to finish, but my issue is time, and I am a slow painter, so that's why it takes me a while to finish one. And I don't know why and that's the other thing I noticed too. I did it for this January and this month. I do not know why I selected large paintings to start the year with. I have no idea why I did that. And don't get me wrong, the heart jars painting is just, I really love that canvas, and I really wanted to work on it. So that one, it's excused. I know why I picked that one. But for the cherry tree painting, originally I picked it because I wanted to work on my oldest kit. And when I started working on it, I started thinking, yeah, I shouldn't have done that idea, because I have a lot of canvases that they are old. Meaning that, not old as in, I think canvas is old. It's more that it was one of the first premium diamond paintings I purchased. So that's why I called it my oldest. But yeah, I should have started off with a smaller one. And as I say again over and over, because y'all wonderful viewers suggested it, I should paint what I want to paint. And don't get me wrong, the cherry tree canvas is so pretty, and I'm really dedicated to finish it, because the way it's coming out is surprising to me. I should have gone with my gut and go with a smaller one. So next month is March. So I'll still be working on my two paintings, because I've stated before they are larger. So I'll be working on both of them slowly on the side. I'm going to pick a smaller one for March. Well, actually, I stated it, I believe, in my weekend WIP chat. I signed up for an event by Pampered with Diamonds, and both of the little canvases are small, so I think I can use those as my, well, no, because the event starts in February, so technically it would be a February new start. Oh yeah, I can new start one in January. And I do have smaller canvases, meaning, you know, 40 by 40. For me, I think that's smaller, so than my usual 80 by some crazy number. So stay tuned for that. I've unboxed smaller ones, so I'm thinking maybe I should grab one of those. And March is such a spring month for me, so I'm not too sure if I should. I'm going to check my stash again, and if I have kind of smaller ones that are springish, I'll unbox them and show them to y'all. Yeah, let's do that. So stay tuned for that video. I just need to really look into to see if I have any spring ones, spring inspired looking ones that I can use as a new start for March. And speaking of that, I didn't know Diamond Art Club. Well, I did know. I did know that Diamond Art Club gives you points for your birthday. I did not know it gives you a 20% discount site-wide for your birthday. That surprised me. So, guess what Rosie did? She purchased more. And 20% is a good discount. That's, like I said, I got surprised by that. I had no idea you get a discount as well. I just knew you got points. And I am real excited to go through the site. I haven't had a chance to sit down. Well, actually, no, I did. Actually, I did. I did put them in the cart. I just haven't moved forward on purchasing them because I'm also looking at, again, looking for smaller ones because there are two that I really like, but they're larger. And I'm thinking of purchasing those two and 3 canvases. Oh, apologies. I'm recording in the middle of the day, so if you hear a lot of traffic, yeah, sorry about that. And I really want to pick a smaller canvas so I can have 3 new ones to my stash. I've officially over hit 100. I'm not kidding. I already did the math. So stay tuned for that. Once I actually pick a canvas, I'll let you all know. And we can all, you know, see it together and see a new start for March. But this painting, I'm going to keep working on it. I'm going to keep working on it today, because I'm so close to finishing it. And a majority of her face and this section of their hat is multi-placing. It's getting close to the Christmas tree. That's, oh my goodness, it takes forever. It has a lot of confetti. So I'm waiting till the end to finish that section. So I'm going to finish all of this section first, since I can multi-place a good section of it. And then I'll go and, you know, battle it out with the confetti. Oh, she's so cute, and I really want to finish this one. And oh, apologies, I believe I've hit 11 minutes, or 13 minutes technically, but actually it's 11. Like I said, I have my timer, so it's technically 10 minutes. So I'll stop here for now, and I'm going to keep working on this today. I'm going to try really hard to finish this section and take a picture and post it for y'all on Instagram. Oh, she's coming out so cute, and I'm really liking it. So again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful paintings we love to do, no matter what holiday it is. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.